This is Matthew again, and this is our fifth strategy for today, 1st of April 2026. So we're going to be selling at market here. We won't wait for the trades to hand. So we'll be scalping in this strategy, and we're trading the Volatility 25 1x. Today is 1st of April 2nd of April. It's early morning right here in Canada. So now 2nd of April 2026. So here we're going to be trading the Volatility 25 1x, and we're trading the rise and fall, and we're on the day trader interface. So we're using the stochastic indicator right here. It's stochastic indicator. It's under the momentum, that's stochastic momentum index indicator, SMI. So once you log into your trading account, you go to Volatility 25 1x. Then you go to the indicator right here. You click on momentum. You click on this. You're going to see it right here. You go to the trade type here. You choose rise and fall and set this to 2 minutes. We're going to be scalping. We won't wait for the trade to end before we sell. So we're going to be watching. You can see both are down. Both has to be down. You can see the rate at which is pushed down right there. So when both are down, like this and this facing down, you click on. So we're going to sell right there. You click on rise. So once you click on rise, you sell as it's going up. Once you see like $3 or $2 or $4, you sell. You can see I sold immediately right there. So you have to wait for it to be going down. And remember, I set this to 2 minutes. Enter the amount you want to stake and watch the indicator. You can see they're facing up. Both of them has to be facing down, and you click on rise immediately. So let's place one more trade. You can see they're facing down right there. So I click on rise right there. Remember, we'll be selling at market once we're in profit. Don't wait for the trade to end. So we have to get ready right there. Oh, sorry, I saw that the time was so fast right there. I should not have sold. I would have waited. So we're going to place one more trade. We're actually in profit, but I sold immediately. It rebounds, so we're going to place one more trade. So let's watch it going down. Let's watch both of them pushing right down. You can see they're both facing up. Okay, you can see they're both down right there, so I placed that trade. So you can see we made that money back, 3.30. Make sure you let it go a little bit more up before you click on sell, so that you can make more profit, because it can rebound quickly, just like what happened in the last trade right there. So let's place one more trade. You can see one is facing up. They're both facing up. Let's wait for both to face down. Both indicators, both the movement and the indicators. So you can see right there they're both facing down. So I click on rise. It's rebounding again. So you can see right there, this strategy is 90% guaranteed. If you watch carefully, you can make a lot of money using this strategy. So we're going to stop here. For those who haven't purchased our bots, the Toscaper bot and the Pipstripper bot, they're still active and effective. Check the link in the video description to order the bots. And we're giving away free gifts when you order any of our bots. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels. So the links are right here. For those who don't have a trading account, use this link to sign up for a free trading account, and the links to subscribe to our channels are right there. We're going to paste everything in the video description on YouTube. The link for the buy sell indicator that works on Deriv MT5 and other Forex broker platform, we're giving it away for free. Check the video description for those infos, and the Pipstripper bot and the Toscaper bot, the links to order them, we're going to paste them in the video description on YouTube. For those who don't have a trading account, here is the link once again to sign up for a free trading account to test the strategies on demo. There are other infos right there we're going to paste in the video description on YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.